guys, how are you all? In this video I'll be sharing you an interesting airdrop in which you can earn $500 very easily. This airdrop is about Bikeem Airdrop in which users can use NFT bikes to earn tokens. This token is represented as BKM token. You will receive 1000 FAT for just signing up this site. For each referral you can earn up to 50 FAT. 10,000 FAT is equal to about to something $100. This airdrop is seeming to be completely genuine. So guys, just hurry up and join this airdrop. Joining this airdrop is very simple. You just have to register. You just have to log into this site. You have to put your full name, username, password, email address and solve the captcha. That's it. I have already registered to this site, so just let me just log into this site. After logging to your account, you will see interface as such. I have already accumulated 10,000 FAT, which is approx equals $100. Also, I get 10 BKM for free daily just for keeping this balance in my account. So this is seeming a very interesting project. So guys, hurry up and join this program fast. You can earn $500 daily. This airdrop will be ending by the end of this month, that is 30th of June. So guys, just hurry up fast. Thank you.